Hey y'all, welcome back to Craft Geek. Today I'm showing you how to cast off your stitches so your project is finished and secure. Okay, so we have made our stitches and now let's finish this project the right way. And I choose to do the easiest way of casting off. You can either knit or purl stitch your cast off. I like to knit stitch because I think it is the easiest. And so with that, let's go ahead and get started. We are going to do like a knit stitch, okay? And so we want to get one, and then let's go ahead and do it a second time and get two knit stitches on the right one. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take that left needle and we're going to lift it up and over that second one, okay? And then we're going to go in and we're going to get another knit stitch on the right needle. So we always want to have two knit stitches on the right needle. And once again, we're going to pull that first stitch over the second stitch, okay? And then that creates this chain effect here. So let's go through that again. Two stitches, take that first stitch over the second stitch, okay? And we're going to continue that process of pulling the first stitch over the second stitch as we go through all the way to the end, okay? And some people use their fingers to do this. I don't. It's easier for me to use the needles. And I kind of do use both of the needles to help out with that process while I am pulling the first stitch over the second stitch. I'm also bringing this needle down to help bring that, keep that stitch, up under that first stitch and bring it on through. Okay, let's do that again. Getting in that second stitch, just get up in there and over that first stitch, and see that chain effect that we have going right there to finish it off. And yes, we are going to do this all the way to the end. Okay, now we have two stitches left. So these two stitches, we're going to take that and once again pull it over the front. And now we just have one stitch left. And so let's drop that needle and let's clip our thread, our yarn rather. And we are going to pull the loop so it's nice, big enough for you to pull that thread through, and voila. And then you can weave this loose thread in there through the side. I like to weave them through, weave it in there, and this end as well. And so we'll weave those through and then we'll be done. But that's how we finish that top, bind that off.
Watch me make it pop, 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 baby, I can't stop, stop, stop.